So this is how to multiply two mixed numbers. Okay, we have an example number 1, 1 in 1/3 times 3 and 2/5. Okay, the first step to change mixed numbers to improper fraction. In this example, we have 1 and 1/3. It becomes 3 times the whole number 1 plus the numerator 1. Again, 1 is the whole number and this 1 is the numerator. All over the denominator 3. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 equals 4 over 3. So, 4 over 3 is the first improper fraction. Okay, then we will write 4 over 3. Next, we change 3 and 2/5 to improper fraction. So, we have now 5 times 3 plus the numerator 2 all over 5. Okay, and then 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 equals 17 over the denominator 5. And this is your second fraction. Okay, so 4 over 3 times 17 over 5. Then the next one is to multiply their numerators and multiply their denominators. Okay, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, 4 times 17 is 68 over 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, the next step is to simplify. We're going to change 68 over 15 to mixed numbers. Okay, then now we're going to divide 68 over 15. So we have now 68 divided by 15. Okay, the answer is 68 divided by 15 equals 4. So 4 times 15 equals 60. Then subtract 68 minus 60 equals 8. Okay, and then we were going to write the answers in mixed number. Okay, so our quotient here is 4. So we write 4 as whole number, and then 8 is our numerator, and then the denominator is 15. So the answer is 4 and 8 over 15. Okay, so now let's have another example, number 2. 3 and 2/4 times 5 and 3/4. Okay, again, same step. We're going to change the mixed numbers into improper fraction. Okay, so same step. We have to multiply the denominator to the whole number and add the numerator. Okay, we have 4 times 3, the whole number, plus the numerator 2 over 4. So 4 times 3 plus 2. It is equal to 14 over 4. Okay, next. 4 times 5 plus the numerator 3 over 4. Then 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3 is equal to 23 over 4. So we have now 14 over 4 times 23 over 4. Okay, the next step is to multiply their numerators, or multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 14 times 23 is 322, and 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, since the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so we need to simplify or change this improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, so we divide 322 and 16. Okay, so now we have 322 divided by 16. The answer is 2. Then 2 times 16 is equal to 32. Then subtract, it is equal to 0. Okay, and then bring down 2. 2 times 16 is 0. So 0 times 16 equals 0. So we have 2 minus 0. The answer is 2. Okay, so our quotient now here is 20. Therefore, our final answer is, okay, we write 20 and then the numerator 2 over 16. So we have 20 over 16. Okay, and then we simplify. Since we have 2 and 16, the common factor of 2 and 16 is 2. So we divide 20 2 over 16 divided by the greatest common factor 2. So now we have, okay, we rewrite 20 and then 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Therefore, the final answer is 20 and 1, 8. Okay, so that is how to multiply two mixed numbers.